What's the meaning of bicentenary? Bicentenary. Bicentenary.
Bicentenary. Bicentenary. The term bicentenary refers to a 200th anniversary of a significant event or occasion. Bicentenaries are typically celebrated with special events or ceremonies that honor the occasion and the individuals or groups involved. Examples of events that may have bicentenaries include the founding of a city or university, the birth or death of a notable person, or the signing of an important document such as a constitution. Often, bicentenaries provide an opportunity for reflection on the significance of the event and its impact on history and contemporary society. They can also serve as a reminder of the cultural heritage and traditions that shape our modern world.